Okay, good morning everyone. I'm going to boil some green bananas. So you can get this at your local supermarket, and the skin is green, and this is what you have to purchase. You boil it in hot water and then it becomes soft. So I'll show you the steps in preparing green banana, boiled green banana. So if you have oil, you can put a little bit of oil on your hands because it is stainy. So it will make your hands become brown and stainy. So you put oil on your hand, or you can wear a pair of disposable gloves so that your hands are protected from that. So the bananas come in a bunch, and you usually buy them in a dozen or so, and use a small paring knife, remove the top and the bottom, and then you see these ridges, these edges, you're just gonna use that as a guide and cut along the edges like this. After you do that, you're going to peel away the skin like that. So just gently do that until all the skin is removed. And then you can use the knife to remove the extra green parts. It looks nice. Okay, you'll do that with the remaining bananas. While I'm doing this, I have hot boiling water on the stove, so you will cook this in boiling water. You don't want the water to be cold, you want it to be hot. Alright, so alright, so now we're gonna put our clean peeled green bananas into the hot water. Okay. Boiling hot water, and you immerse the bananas in here, and you're gonna add salt to the water, and it will boil until it's soft. So now it's 9:20. We'll give it around 30 minutes, and then we can check back. Alright, so this is what the bananas look like when they are cooked. They are soft, so if you stick it with a fork, it will be. I don't have a fork, but you can use it and taste it. So now it's done and cooked. You can serve it with. I'm gonna serve it with my fish. Have a good day. Thank you.